So we've got a few seeds here to plant. This is gonna be from our front barrel. When it gets a little bit warmer in about a month. And then I've got some zucchini, peas, cucumbers, peppers, various other things. And we're about a month away from planting season, so I'm just gonna plant these inside in little containers.
When we're all in a better place, when we're all in a better place, if the wind blows free from the treetops to the ocean, why can't we be in a better place?
Some peppers, I just put the packets in front of them to label them and give it a little bit of water for it to germinate. My husband loves red cherry tomatoes and yeah, really likes zucchini. Cucumbers, maybe make some pickles, we'll see. We'll see how ambitious I am this year. Little green beans, and I got this at Goodwill for like 99, oh how much was it? Oh, $2.99, excuse me. Inflation. And I'm gonna transplant this money tree into here. And maybe move around a few things. I need to do some house cleaning because obviously several plants have died. I got this last summer from our local pool. They were just giving it away. And it survived this long, but it's starting to not look so great. I hope it lasts till summer though. And then these are my seeds, marigold seeds. Marigold seeds that I use, and I'll plant them in some hanging baskets and stuff.
I don't want you to change your life, but I just want to be together, you and me, from sea to shining sea.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do some rearranging, maybe some cleaning, because this is not really working. Some of the cacti have died, obviously, and they just need to be rearranged. I also have this I need to put together. It's from Christmas. My mother-in-law got this for me. So this one, and that one are definitely dead. I think a couple more. So I'm just gonna pull these out. Maybe plant like a little sunflower in there just to get it started, and then transfer them outside when they get big enough. So this is my grandma's measuring cup. She was downsizing a few years ago, so I got a bunch of her stuff, or she gave it to me. But we think this has lead in it, so I decided to repurpose it as a little pot for my spider plant, of course. These are watering bulbs I got from Home Depot. I travel a lot, so I just put these in the ground around the plants, sometimes inside. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll clear that off. That's this box. So I put these in the ground, or sometimes inside in the bigger pots, obviously. Or sometimes I pay the neighbor a bottle of wine to water our plants when we're away. My mother-in-law gave me these. I do need to put mulch in here. And then more lead. So we think these have lead in them as well, so I decided to repurpose them as, that was risky, as just cacti glasses. So I've got some older stuff, like I'll plant little sunflower in there until it gets bigger. These didn't quite make it. I took these in when it was getting cooler in the fall. These used to hang from my porch, and they're marigolds. They lasted up until like maybe a month ago. Gotta take out this succulent, replace it with something. And then here's my marigold seed collection. So when they start dying off, I'll take the seeds, or I'll take the dry part of the flower and the seeds and save them up for the spring. Set this up. Finally got it set up. Got the little pods on. I've never had one of these before, so we'll see how it does. It is by AeroGarden. It's a company out of Colorado. And then I'm gonna put these right here. I'm wondering if maybe I could put a couple right here and see if they sprout. We will see. Hey. Then I've got the rest along the wall.